These gadgets might look simple at first, but each one can seriously upgrade your everyday life, from making your desk setup cleaner, your phone videos smoother, your car safer, and your gadgets easier to maintain. Today, we're checking out some smart, useful, and portable tech gadgets that actually solve real problems instead of just looking cool. So, watch till the end, because one of these might be the next must-have gadget you didn't know you needed. A tiny screen that makes your setup look instantly smarter. This mini display is a simple way to add a futuristic touch to your desk, PC setup, gaming station, or creator workspace. It can show useful information in a compact visual format, giving your setup that clean, smart dashboard feeling without taking up much space. Whether you use it for system monitoring, widgets, visuals, or just as a stylish desk upgrade, it adds personality and function to your workspace. Small, modern, and eye-catching, this is the kind of gadget that makes your setup feel more premium the moment you turn it on. One charger, 3 devices, 0 cable mess. This 3-in-1 charging station is built to clean up your desk or nightstand by charging your phone, smartwatch, and earbuds from one compact station. Instead of dealing with 3 separate cables, you get one simple charging zone for your daily devices. It is perfect for bedrooms, work desks, travel setups, and anyone who uses multiple wireless accessories every day. Clean, practical, and easy to use, this is one of those small upgrades that makes your whole setup feel more organized. Because your gadgets collect more dirt than you think. This electronics cleaning kit is made for the devices you touch every day. Keyboards, laptops, phones, earbuds, tablets, screens, cameras, and desk accessories. With different brushes and cleaning tools, it helps remove dust, fingerprints, crumbs, and buildup from tiny spaces that are hard to clean normally. It is especially useful for mechanical keyboards, gaming setups, office desks, and creator workstations where dust shows up fast. Small enough to keep nearby, but useful enough to reach for every week, this kit keeps your tech looking cleaner, sharper, and more professional. Tiny storage, massive convenience. This compact storage gadget is built for people who need fast, portable file access without carrying bulky drives or extra cables. Whether you are moving photos, videos, documents, project files, or backups, it gives you a simple way to keep important data close and ready. It is especially useful for creators, students, office workers, and anyone who switches between devices often. Small enough to carry anywhere, but practical enough to use every day, this is one of those simple tech tools that saves time when your phone, laptop, or tablet starts running out of space. Turn your laptop into a dual-screen setup anywhere. This portable monitor is made for people who want more screen space without being stuck at a desk. Plug it into your laptop, gaming console, phone, or compatible device, and you instantly get a second screen for work, editing, gaming, studying, or multitasking. It is perfect for travel, remote work, coffee shop setups, gaming on the go, and anyone who hates working on one small screen. Slim, lightweight, and easy to carry, this gadget makes your mobile setup feel way more productive. Hot coffee that actually stays hot. This self-heating coffee mug is designed for people who always forget their drink until it turns cold. Instead of rushing your coffee, tea, or hot chocolate, it helps keep your drink warm while you work, study, edit, game, or relax. It is perfect for desks, home offices, long work sessions, and early mornings when you want every sip to stay comfortable. Simple, smart, and surprisingly useful. This is one of those everyday gadgets that makes your routine feel a little more premium. One repair kit for almost every tiny screw in your life. This precision screwdriver set is made for phones, laptops, game consoles, cameras, watches, glasses, toys, and small electronics that need careful repair. With a wide range of bits and tools in one compact kit, it gives you the right option for those tiny screws that normal screwdrivers cannot handle. It is perfect for DIY repairs, tech maintenance, PC building, gadget teardown, and small home fixes. Instead of buying separate tools for every device, this kit gives you one organized repair station that is ready whenever something needs opening, tightening, or fixing. your phone footage but smoother and more cinematic. This smartphone gimbal is built to turn shaky handheld clips into smooth, professional-looking video. It helps stabilize your phone while you walk, pan, track subjects, or shoot moving scenes, making it perfect for YouTube videos, TikToks, Reels, travel clips, product shots, and vlogs. With smart tracking features and a creator-friendly design, it is especially useful for solo filming when you do not have someone behind the camera. Whether you are shooting indoors, outside, or on the move, this kind of gimbal makes your phone feel much closer to a real camera setup. A tiny pump that saves your lungs and your time. This compact electric air pump is made for inflating and deflating gear without doing it manually. It is useful for air mattresses, pool floats, camping pads, vacuum storage bags, inflatable toys, and other small inflatable items that normally take too much effort. Small enough to carry in a bag, but powerful enough to make setup faster, it is perfect for camping, travel, beach days, home storage, and outdoor adventures. Instead of blowing air by mouth or using a bulky pump, this little gadget handles the boring part for you. A simple stand that makes your setup feel instantly cleaner. This Baseus Stand is built to hold your device at a better viewing angle, making your desk feel more organized and comfortable. Whether you are using it for your phone, tablet, or laptop, it helps lift your screen off the desk so you can watch, work, study, or video call with better posture. It is perfect for office desks, gaming setups, bedside tables, kitchen counters, and travel workstations. Simple, compact, and useful every day. This is one of those small accessories that quietly makes your whole setup feel more premium. 3 cameras watching your car from every angle. This 3-channel dashcam is built to record the front, inside, and rear of your vehicle at the same time, giving you stronger protection than a basic single-camera setup. It is especially useful for daily driving, rideshare drivers, family cars, road trips, parking security, and anyone who wants extra proof if something happens on the road. With multi-angle recording, night driving support, and continuous evidence capture, it helps protect you from accidents, hit and runs, false claims, and unexpected moments. For your car, this is one of those gadgets you hope you never need, but you will be glad you have it when you do. Turn one connection into a cleaner, smarter setup. This AUFU adapter is made for people who need a simple way to connect their devices without carrying extra messy cables. Whether you are using it for charging, audio, data, or device compatibility, it helps make your setup more flexible and easier to manage. It is useful for travel bags, work desks, car setups, and everyday tech kits where the right port is not always available. Small, lightweight, and easy to carry. This is the kind of simple adapter that can save your day when your device does not match the cable in your hand. A tiny vacuum for the mess your car collects every day. This handheld car vacuum cleaner is built for quick cleanups inside your vehicle without needing a big vacuum or a trip to the car wash. It helps remove dust, crumbs, sand, pet hair, and small debris from seats, floor mats, cup holders, door pockets, and tight corners. It is perfect for daily drivers, families, rideshare cars, road trips, and anyone who likes keeping their interior clean. Compact, portable, and easy to grab, this gadget makes car cleaning faster, easier, and much more convenient. And that's it for today's tech gadgets. Which one was your favorite? Comment below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and ring the bell for more useful gadgets and smart tech. See you in the next video.